Hi, kindergartners. Today we're going to talk about shapes, flat shapes. They're also called 2D for two-dimensional. So let's begin. We have to describe these shapes. What do you see? Does anybody see points or corners? I think I see some. What about edges or sides? Does anybody see any of those? Yep, they have edges and sides. Are there any straight parts? Yep, I see some of those too. Oh, look it! We got all those things. We didn't say corner. Yeah, there were corners too, right? Now look at these shapes. I don't see very many points. I see a lot of round. I bet some of these would roll because one of them even looks like a ball. Round, and they could roll. They could turn. Yeah, they could, couldn't they? They have a lot of curves. Let's take a look. We have to sort these into curve, no curve. And do you see that teal pointy piece on the top? Where would that go? Where do you think that would go? Does it have curves or no curves? There are no curves. Now let's look at that orange piece. That orange piece there, underneath that green piece, does that have any curves? No, no curves. What about that yellow piece? Are there any curves on there? Yeah, it seems to be almost all curves, doesn't it? Let's put it with curves. Now we have to go to this blue piece. Does this blue piece here have any curves? No. Let's look at the orange piece. Are there curves? There are curves on that piece. And that pink piece, are there curves? Yes, lots of curves. And last we have that big green one. Are there curves? Yes. There are a couple points too, but I'm not asking for points. We're just asking, does it have curves or no curves? And it does have curves. Thank you for sorting with me today, curves and no curves, and looking at some of our shapes. Until next time, have a good day.